I farted.
Stop it. Okay. First is my sister's squishies. Wait. Here are the social medias. Okay.
That's not mine.
Facebook, Instagram, address, and website. Okay. My little sister got this inspired. I am a Tokyo cake roll for I don't remember. Okay. She also got this mini cute blush bun. It's in this face. Change the packaging. So yeah. She also got this dolphin. It's stressful material. It actually has eyes, but the eyes came up. So it is 6 MYR 685. Oh, I'm 6. Can't focus. Focus. It's 6. Okay. 6. Finally, she got this recommendo or toast or anything. The ears are dipped in chocolate. Wait, there's a tag, by the way. There's a tag. It is MYR 25. Okay. Now what I got is this marshmallow bun, jumbo marshmallow bun. This bag is full of air. I put it in this Ziploc baggie. It's actually really squishy. So yeah, I got this mini eyebrow peach. I put it in this Ziploc bag so that the smells don't come off. Yeah.
Let me smell.
So that the smells stay more long.
Okay, let me smell that.
I also got this Eye Bloom strawberry shortcake. See, I am a Tokyo squishy shortcake. It's in this diamond packaging. I changed it. It's really soft and squishy. You can see. Yeah, the strawberry is squishy too. Lastly, I got this snowy Eye Bloom snowy. Yeah. It's in this IKEA packaging. So here is snowy. And it's really squishy and soft. It smells like peaches. The peach smell like peaches, and the strawberry shortcake smells like strawberry milkshake. So here's the snowy Eye Bloom. It's from Delightful Boutique. And I think this is Japanese, so I think, or it's Chinese language. So that's what we got. Sprinkalicious. Okay. Yeah, that's what all we got. So Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment and give it a thumbs up.